In this video you will learn how to fix Instagram time zone is wrong, update Instagram app, ensure the Instagram app is updated to the latest version to avoid any bugs related to the time settings, check your device time settings, go to your device's settings and make sure your date, time and time zone are all correct, enable automatic time zones is available so it automatically makes the time and date correct. Restart your device. Restarting your device or tablet to refresh the system and apply any changes will help fix your time zone. Clear Instagram's cache or reinstall the app. On Android, clear Instagram's cache from the settings. On iOS, uninstall and reinstall the app to fix any glitches. Log out then log back in. Logging out of Instagram and logging back in to refresh your account settings will sync with your new and current time zone. Contact Instagram support. If the issue still persists, report the problem through Instagram's help center to resolve account-specific time zone issues. Now you know how to fix Instagram time zone is wrong. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.